Hi, this is Steve Frey, Principal Architect of Arocordis Design. Today I'm talking with you from one of my favorite places, the front of our house, our home studio here in Montpelier, Vermont. Arocordis Design, in business since 2010, has been serving Vermont families and beyond with our modern-inspired, sustainably oriented home design. Whether it's a new custom home design, a major renovation or addition, we like to help our families and our clients thrive through design. If you're interested in doing a new project of some kind, whether it's a new custom home, a major addition or renovation, starting this fall or beyond, we're taking reservations and getting inquiries from potential clients to do this work for 2025 and beyond building seasons. If you'd like to learn more about us and our services, feel free to DM us through our profile or send us a text at 802-448-0056 or leave a message and we'll call you back. We have an intake form for you to take a look at and fill out and send back to us. By doing so, you'll be able to share a little bit of the highlights about your vision, your budget, schedule, and priorities for your home design project. Looking forward to connecting. Talk to you later. Please check back regularly to our Instagram profile for more information about our process and projects. Thanks. Bye.